Hi there, my name is Arthur Infantino, and I teach 8th grade resource. So again, I teach 8th grade resource virtually this year. And so we meet at early in the morning at 8:30 to 9:10. So that's 8:30 to 9:10. Please remember the course requirements are in teams and they are under files. So remember, course requirements are in teams and they are under files. So weekly work that we do during the week, we do stuff online, we do stuff from iReady, and I'm very impressed with the hard work of everyone so far in in terms of the work. In in terms of grades, make sure you check PowerSchool. If there's a 0, that means your child needs to do it. Also, please remember too, I am available for RTI on Fridays from 2 to 3:45. Again, I'm available for RTIs on Friday from 2 to 3:45. So if there's zeros and they need help, I'm available for RTI from 2 to 3:45. So attendance is taken virtually, and I make sure that everyone has a present code. So again, virtually present code there. Technology, make sure you call Miss Mazer if you need help. Make sure you call Miss Mazer if you need help with your assignments. It's something positive that everybody's safe in this format. You know, that everyone's safe and we're all trying our best to help your child succeed. So everyone's safe and we're trying our best to help your child succeed. So if you need us or if you need me, make sure you can email or call me and I will help you out as best as I can. All right. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. And if you need me, make sure you contact me. Thank you so much.